Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne guys. First generation Cayenne, even if you have a second generation, it may be helpful guys. We'll demonstrate where your crankshaft position sensor is located. Now, it should definitely work on first generation from year 2002 all the way to 2010, and we'll demonstrate on 4.5 engine, but the 4.8 will be, I think, exactly the same, and it may be even helpful on the 6-cylinder engines guys. We'll explain where it's located, how to get to it in case you need to remove and replace the crankshaft position sensor. If that sensor fails, your car may not start, you may be cranking but not starting, the car may die on you as well. Sometimes they fail to where they work a little bit, and when they get hot or something they quit working, so those are sometimes really hard to diagnose, but we have a video that explains how to diagnose and test crankshaft position sensor as well, so check it out guys. With that being said, let me tell you something about us guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. Another thing, if you need to buy crankshaft position sensor, parts, tools for your Cayenne guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our parts and tools from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So with that being said, okay, we have the Cayenne lifted here a little bit so we can crawl underneath and show you with the camera where it's located. If you're guys on the market to get a home lift, okay, that the quick jack works really good. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. We remove the engine's plus shield guys. If you want to see how to do that, we have a special video that explains it, how to remove engine's plus shield on Porsche Cayenne. But once you remove it, you come underneath, okay, let me show you, okay, where we are going now. Okay, that's your oil pan, right? That's where you drain your oil. And if you come this way, okay, I'm trying to, okay, let me see if I can get more light. Okay, perfect. Right here guys, okay, this thing is your crankshaft position sensor, that device. All we have to do, remove that bolt with an Allen wrench. I think it's a 4 or 5 millimeter Allen wrench. Remove that bolt, okay, and the sensor will come loose. Now, once you guys remove it, you need to follow your wire, and it goes all the way to the top of the engine. I'll show you the location of it in just a second. But first, remove that bolt, pull it out, follow the wire, come out. You need to, okay, open the hood. Okay, and it should be guys, the connector should be behind, okay, behind your air pump on the left side, on the driver's side. That's where the sensor goes. Now if you want to see how to remove that pump, we have a video on the channel as well, check it out. But that's the location of the sensor guys, in case you need to replace it. We'll have a video that explains how to diagnose it as well, and the symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor on a Porsche as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.